To change the mobile network access point name on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on connections. Then we go down and tap on mobile networks. Next, tap on access point names. And from here, you can choose one of the options available. So here I've got Optus Best Mobile Broadband. You can also choose other options that is available. You can also tap on the add button at the top here to manually add in the access point name. Now you can get this information from your network provider. So sometimes if you have a problem connecting to your mobile network, you may need to manually make some changes in here to be able to access to your network. To get this information, you need to contact your network carrier, and they will be able to provide you all the necessary access point information so that you can connect to their network. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.